Wow, it's week 4. I know that's a little bit shocking to me. I know it's shocking to some of you guys as well. Welcome to Module 3, week 4 of our web page creation class. Hope everybody is having a good week. I wanted to send out this announcement video to you to kind of wrap up our discussions from Module 2 and then kick you off into Module 3. And then I got some other stuff to tell you about too. So wrapping up Module 2, what was the deal with that discussion board challenge I had you guys do? I know I was kind of, I don't know, I had a lot of fun with that challenge, watching you guys work on that, and honestly, I wrote this on someone's reply. I wasn't sure that you could do that. You could link from an image with this HTML editor tool. I haven't played with it enough to know that, so now I know that it can be done. And you guys illustrated my point beautifully in that sometimes it can be really frustrating to figure out how to get one of these editor tools to do what we want it to do. It's going to be a lot easier to learn the HTML code and just write it out by hand than figure out how to get these tools to write the code for us. So thank you for all of your participations. You guys all stepped up to that challenge, and I know some of you jumped in and you were able to do it. Others struggled a little bit, but everyone demonstrated my point, and I appreciate that. So that's why we're all here, to learn that HTML. So thank you for doing that. I'm working on your feedback videos for the Module 2 assignment. So you should see those probably by tomorrow night, Tuesday night. You should be getting those videos back with your personalized feedback about the links. Several of you were working on that last night, like between 9:30 and 10 o'clock. That's kind of late to be getting in there and getting to that assignment, especially if you're going to need some assistance in getting that done. And I'm so more than happy to help you. I've already been helping some folks with getting assignments corrected and stuff, and I'm more than happy to do that with you. We just need to start that process a little bit earlier in the week and not a half an hour before the assignment is due. So anybody who needs to submit Module 0, 1, or 2 assignments, for that matter. 0, you're kind of out of luck, but if you need to submit 1 and or 2 assignments to me, then, or if something's holding you back and you're not sure why you can't do something, or something's making you frustrated, let me know right away so that I can assist you in getting that assignment completed. Even if you've already submitted it, we'll see how it goes when I get into grading all of these. Even if you've already submitted the assignment, you might find that you need some assistance with it, and I'm more than willing to meet with you anytime. I'm really quite available anytime online. We can set up an evening to meet down at the lab at City College, or we can set up a chat room online and I can share my screen with you so I can show you stuff and we can talk about it. So don't hesitate to contact me to set up something like that. I really don't want you guys to get frustrated with this. If you don't get these fundamental concepts down in the beginning, then you're just going to get more and more behind and more lost as we move forward each week. So let's be sure that we're all caught up and understanding what's going on in the class as soon as we can. Okay? Speaking of which, so you can submit those assignments to me late, that's fine. You're going to get half credit on the assignments, but I recommend you doing that anyway, because that's going to teach you the lesson for the week so that you can do the next week. If you skip an assignment, it's kind of setting you up pretty poorly for next week's assignment. So submit those assignments to me late. You'll get half credit, and I think that's a good thing to do. Discussion boards and quizzes, on the other hand, can't be done late. So some of you have found that out. You can't get into those guys late, and that's by design, and that was explained in the syllabus. But so those of you who have missed assignments, discussion boards, quizzes, you need to start making up points. Guess what? There is an extra credit assignment posted now so that you can start accumulating some extra credit points back. And that's going to be done through videos kind of similar to this one, except you won't be showing your face probably. Well, you can if you want. But I'm more concerned with screen capture videos. So videos where you're showing your computer screen to us and you explain to us how to do something. So I'm calling them UTeach videos, and you can submit those to me. You'll get 2 points for a UTeach video if your video, what am I trying to say, meets the criteria that I'm asking you for those videos, okay? So check out that assignment. You're going to need a either Jing, which is a screen capture program that I use, or a free one. Both of them are free actually, Screencast-O-Matic. I put both links in the assignment. Both of those allow you to record your computer screen while you're recording your voice. So you may need to purchase a microphone, but a lot of times if you've got a webcam, I'm using an extra mic right here just so that you guys really hear me, but my webcam also has a mic, and most laptop webcams will have a mic. So if you're using a webcam or have one on your computer, then you probably already have an internal mic there as well. So that's your first opportunity. I really look forward to those. It's not something that you post to the discussion board. You're just going to send it to me, the link to your video, and then we'll probably end up posting those in a forum or somewhere where students can access them as kind of like extra help videos, okay? So I'm excited to hear from you guys on those videos. Okay, so we're starting off with Module 3, and we're going to be looking at some more fundamental concepts of HTML this chapter. And of course, I don't have my textbook with me right now, but the one that stands out is inline versus block elements. So pay attention to the chapters, the textbook's discussion of inline versus block. That's a fundamental concept, and you guys got to get that down. You'll have the reading, you'll have a discussion board. So you're going to discuss a little bit about how web page creation will be stimulating both your right and your left brains, and how, yeah, that's all I'll say about that. Assignment, you will be we scrapped the wedding page thing, and now you're making a peanut butter and jelly how-to, like a recipe page kind of. And so you'll post a bunch of different elements. You'll learn some new elements in this chapter of your textbook, and you'll be using several of those new elements in your PBJ webpage. Still HTML only. We're not moving on to CSS yet. Okay. What else was I going to say about that? Office hours. I'll have office hours tomorrow, Tuesday, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. So you can get me online, and we can discuss anything that you're having problems with. I hope I have people come. That would be great. I think that's all I have for right now, you guys. Next module, we're getting ready for Module 4. We're going to start putting this stuff online and actually making web pages, and not files that you're sending back and forth to me. So yes, we're going to be working on that next module. Okay, that's all I've got. As always, contact me if you've got any questions about this video or anything else you see in the class. I've got a few outstanding emails here from folks, and I hope to get in contact with several of you this week about meeting times. That's the most important thing to me, is that you don't get frustrated as you're working through this course content. So if you feel that way, if you feel like you're lost, if you feel like you're starting to fall behind, send me an email as soon as possible so that we can figure out what's going on, set up a time to meet, and get your questions answered. Okay? Good luck, everybody. I look forward to hearing from you, and we'll be in touch this week.